What's up, guys? It's Miles here today, and today or this evening I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my new bike. That I got a Mongoose 8.5 rise handlebar, a Mongoose front load stem, I got Mongoose forks. They're really wide.
No, you have to go completely.
I got these Eastern Throttle 2.40 inch tires, 60 psi. They're big. I really like them. Oh my god! 2016 Mongoose frame.
You got it. Hey, oh.
Mongoose 25 tooth sprocket. I've got loose ball bottom brackets on this. I got Mongoose cranks, Mongoose pedals. And I got two Mongoose rims on here. The back for my rear hub, 9-tooth casket hub. And I got a Mongoose seat and Mongoose seat post.
Alright,
Stuff. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this 2017 bike check. And thanks for watching. And have a nice evening. Peace out.
See? You got it.